Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open and set up a Wise business account. So Wise is helpful if you run a business, work as a freelancer, or need a simple way to send, receive, and manage money in different currencies. So to get started, go to the Wise website or open the Wise app. So click sign up, then choose the business account option. Enter your email address, create a password, and select the country where your business is registered. Next, Wise will ask for your business details, add your business name, business type, register address, and basic information about what your business does. And if you are a freelancer or a sole proprietor, choose the option that best matches your setup. After that, you may need to verify your identity and business information. So follow the steps on the screen and upload any required documents if Wise asks for them. So this helps keep the account secure and ready to use. So once your account is approved, you can start setting it up. You can open currency balances, receive payments, send money, and manage your business transactions in one place. You can also order a Wise card if it is available in your country. And that is the basic way to open and set up a Wise business account. Just sign up, enter your business details, complete the verification, and set up the features that you need. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.